Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, thank you so much for 902 subscribers. Didn't think I would gain so many subscribers all at once from my Korea vlogs. But hey, I guess hard work did pay off. Yeah, it was really fun vlogging in Korea and Vietnam. But I'm sadly back home in Virginia, and in about a few days I'm leaving to college. So I think this video will be my last video in this room. And yeah, for today's video I'm going to be talking about what I got from Korea, and I've got bags, makeup, fashion items and whatnot. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with skincare slash makeup products, and let me tell you, these are like life-changing slash game-changer products. So these products, I have been using it for a while, and I just bought more of these because I love them so much, and I really want to recommend these products to you guys. So first of all, I'm going to talk about this Innisfree green tea seed cream. That's really hard to say. So this product is perfect if you have acne slash really dry skin. This is super moisturizing at night and in the morning as well, of course. So I have a lot of acne. I'm not sure if you can see, but it really soothed it down. I'm serious. This is so good. I bought this in like a bigger pack. They do have a smaller one, but because I use it so much, I just bought a big one. Speaking of Innisfree, I have two more to share with you guys. The first one is this Innisfree Mineral Moisture Fitting Base. This is a primer basically, and you put this on before you apply your foundation or BB cream. And oh my god, this is so nice. So this is perfect if you prefer dewy makeup, and because my face gets so dry like so quickly, this is perfect. This lasts literally all day, and it really like hugs onto your makeup product, so it just really stays on your face really well. And yeah, it's super moisturizing. I don't know how you can go wrong with this, so I highly recommend it. Last Innisfree product I want to talk about, and this is my like treasure, I guess. This is like so nice, you guys. This is Innisfree Bija Sika Balm. I think that's how you say it. So to use this product, you basically like you wash your face really clean, then you apply a thick coat of this on like your trouble areas, and I basically put this on literally all over my face because I have acne all over my face. But you let that dry for about a few minutes, and then I go and apply this green tea seed cream that I talked about before. So I apply that after, and I sleep. And it's just so clean the next day. I don't even know how this works, but it's literally magic. This is my gem, and I highly recommend this product to anyone that has acne issues. Next up are these face masks that I actually haven't used yet, but my mom told me it was really good, and she's all about skincare, so I trust her opinion. Basically, it is this brand by MediHeal, I believe. Yes. So I believe this one, it's a lightening and clearing. It also has vitamins for every single mask, so that's really good. And they use natural ingredients, which is super important. And then the black one, it more focuses on white hydrating and also like pore like closing thing. You want your pores small. So yeah, the next product I want to talk about are nail related. So for this one, I think I talked about it in a previous Korea haul video, but this is the Diva Nail Gel Press, and basically I got another one because I loved it so much. This literally takes 10 seconds to do your nails, and I'm not sure why this isn't a thing in America. And also this lasts really long, so yeah, totally worth it. The next nail product I want to talk about is this Petty Gel Shine Strips, and actually I haven't tried it yet, but I heard good reviews about it. This is on the expensive side. I believe it was like $13, but it was on sale for $7 because they were having like a special promo. Korean nail salons are not doing so well anymore because of these two items. These are really famous. And yeah, moving on to stationery. So oh my god, you cannot forget about stationery. They're so cute. So the first product I'm going to talk about is this 30-day challenge calendar, and I already start using it for my workout, but it looks like this. So you basically write your goal on top and then you cross out every single day you did this challenge, I guess. And right now for me is to kind of not lose weight but maintain my weight, because that's kind of been hard for me, and I really want to get in shape because I kind of quit track and field a little while ago and I've been just gaining weight ever since. Yeah, so I think this is like a good like 30-day challenge if you have a goal. I think this is really cute to use. The next stationery I got is this one. It's the pink planner. It's the daily planner. I cannot function without my planner, and then now I'm heading to college and they don't give out agendas, so I'm like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna function without it, so I just decided to get one. This is only, I believe, like $6, which is really good. They have everyday slots and they also have like a monthly calendar, and it's super nice because it's spiral. Moving on to bags and a wallet. So let me start with the wallet. I got this little guy from Korea in Insadong. If you guys saw my last vlog, you guys would know where I got this from. Oh my god, this is only $10, and I also got my leather customized, which is really cool. I did J Park. Inside it fits like 3 cards and there's like a hole. I have like checks and cash and whatnot here. Next up is my proud purchase. It is this bag. And it's written in French. I'm not really sure if it makes sense actually. If you've ever been to Korea, you know that everyone carries around canvas bags. So yeah, I got one and this was $3. I was like, might as well get it. Remember how I said previously that I was really proud of that purchase? I take that back. My proud purchase is this one. I bought a backpack, black backpack, and guess how much this was? $10. This extends so much. And it fits your laptop, your lunchbox, and whatnot here. So I always get them. Alright guys, when you say Korea, you say dupes. So basically there are a lot of dupes in Korea and they're actually quite easy to find. They're everywhere on the street, literally. So yeah, I love the brand Hongdae. I don't know if that's how you say it. I absolutely love their product. So first Hongdae fake I got is this one. Do you guys recognize the heart? This, you'll probably see a lot of this on Converse because they did collaboration many years ago. But yeah, I got this white button up and it's really, really cute. I actually haven't tried it on yet, but I plan on wearing this for whenever. But yeah, I really like it. So speaking of fakes, I'm actually wearing one, this Champion shirt. Did you guys notice that it was fake? Probably not. Yeah, this was $5 at Go-To Mall, so I got one. Oh my god, and I actually got this in navy as well. And then from the same store, I've got this little guy, Stussy shirt in white and navy. Oh my god, guys, I love fakes. Why spend $40 on a Stussy or Champion shirt when you can get it for $5? Moving on to last fake item that I have in this haul. It is the Hongdae / Supreme collaboration shirt. Oh my god, isn't it so cute? I love the lettering of this. So I got that, and then just the sleeve is so cute as well. Ah, so cute. So I wore this with like all black outfit and I absolutely love it, and I plan on wearing all black outfits more with it. The last item I have in this haul is 2-piece set, and sadly I cannot wear it because I'm a little too tall for this and it's really short. So I'll show you the bottoms first. So it is this skirt and it's like the gingham pattern. They have elastic waistband, so it's really comfortable. And it's not sheer, by the way, it's really not. And then the top is so cute. It looks like this. Has a strap and then has the off-shoulder part, and it's also stretchy as well, and so is the bottom waist. It's really cute and you just wear them together. So since I cannot wear this, I decided to sell it on my Depop, so I'll link my Depop down below if you guys are interested. Your girl needs money for college, so please check it out. Alright, so that concludes my Korea haul. I hope you liked it. I'm so sad I'm no longer in Korea, but it's time to get back to reality and go to college, which I'm really scared of because it's my first year of college. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!